How to fix if images are not showing in gallery of Android device. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button located on top right corner of your screen. Then search for apps. You'll find apps and notification. Click on apps and notification. Then search for gallery. If you don't find gallery here, click on see all apps and search for gallery in there. After that, force stop the app, then go to storage and cache. Make sure you clear cache. After you clear the cache, restart your device and then you're good to go. That's how you fix if images are not showing in the gallery of Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.